Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. I hope you're sticking with me tonight for the second box opening. You know that we just did a box opening on this Grant Brown. This was my watchgang black membership watch for July. And you know, I am running behind. This is my watchgang black membership watch for August. Also guys, if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother are always working on some random old projects, trying to keep them on the road. And if you're looking for some discounts, guys, I have discount codes for Aviate, Spinnaker, and Ballast, and my code for Watchgang. If you sign up, I believe it gets you 50 points towards the wheel spin watch and me as well. So that helps me keep some other watches coming in just to do some more videos for you guys on the channel. Looks like we have an Aeromat. Not heard of this one either. And if you guys aren't familiar with Watchgang, it is a monthly subscription watch company. These watches both were on the black tier level, which is the $99 subscription from Watchgang. I do kind of like this case, a little different, kind of cool. You know, we got like a radial airplane piston engine design right there. Whew. Wow, that one's actually a pretty heavy piece. I like the shape of the case on that one. It's got a great looking dial. The lugs are kind of cool, a little different than what I have normally, which I like the way that they finished off the end link there. You know, obviously it's not meeting up to the case, but that's kind of what the design is. SKU number. I was hoping it had a name or a model number. Kind of a standard push button clasp here. Let's see what kind of info we've got on the back. Japanese movement, stainless steel, 100-meter water resistant. Definitely going to have to do some research on this one. That is a good looking watch. All the subdials look like, you know, aviation cockpit dials. I like that case design. I'm going to pull off this one really quick. That Grant Brown. Like I said, I'm sure you'll see more of this one. Kind of a easy way to see the difference, you know, just from one month to the next, how different the pieces are that I actually got. We got one on leather, automatic, one on a pretty nice stainless bracelet, and that's how this one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Looks like I've got quite a few links I can pull out, so if you have a little bit bigger wrist, this would probably work for you. I'm digging that one. Man, both of these watches actually for the past few months are ones that I totally would wear. So kind of a bummer that I haven't pulled them out yet. Like I said in the other video, I think I have 5 or 6 more watches to just even do unboxings on. And some of those are watches I actually picked out for myself. So it's been hard not to actually bust them open. But that is on me because I haven't been doing videos as much as I should. So I'm getting back into it. Thanks for your patience, guys. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.